Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a smoky eyeshadow eye even you have a hooded eyes. Especially for my Asian girlies, this is for you guys. So in this tutorial guys, I'm going to show you an easy and beginner friendly smoky eye technique that will actually works on your eye shape. As you can see guys, the eyebrows is already done, so I'm just applying my concealer on the top of my eyebrow and also on my eyelids. If you have an eye cream, no problem, you can use it also, but if you don't have, concealer will work. Just spread it all over your eyelid. You can use brush or sponge, beauty blender, no problem. What will work on you, use it. So for me, I use both. And then after everything got blend, just get your eyeshadow palette with the floppy brush and you choose whatever color you like. For me, I don't have black, so I'm going to use dark brown. But first, I like to dust my eyelids first with a lighter shade. Because for me, it gives me the idea on how high or low I'm going to put my eyeshadow, so I can predict where is the shadow later and where is the darkest part of my eyeshadow. So we'll see later in the end. This is optional, you can do it, or if you don't, no problem also. You can go directly on your eyeshadow color. So now it's time for you to put your darkest shade using your thin and the short. If you have the art brush, you can use it. It will help you, and just make sure that you always remove the excess powder from your brush by hitting it on the side of your eyeshadow palette cases, or else later when you finish, you're gonna look like patchy or you have kinky eyeshadows, so we don't want to do that. So the technique that you can do if you have hooded eyes is to look forward and apply it on top of your lid, like what I'm doing on the video. As you can see, my eyes is open and I keep putting it on the top of my eyelids, just so when you open your eyes, your smoky eyeshadow is still visible and you don't look like someone punched in your face. Okay, just make sure guys that you're putting here a lot, but always shake your brush before you put it in your lids. So as you can see, I keep putting it, I keep applying the eyeshadow while my eyes is open, and then now I spread my lids and then try to cover all with the darkest shade I have, and just continue applying it until you spread it enough, like to shape it on your eyes. Guys, I'm not gonna cut it, so just watch me how I shaped it, the upper part, so it looks natural also later when you fully brush it. So just here I'm checking it on how much I want it to be higher, or does it still visible when I open my eyes. So after I finalize it, I just get a floppy brush. If you have shorter, much better. So this is the shortest and floppy brush I have, so I just brush the top part, only the upper part of the eyeshadow that I put it in my lid. So here we're going to make a shadowy part of our eyeshadow. And anyway guys, the brush, I didn't put anything on it, it's just the brush and nothing on the brush guys. It's just the eyeshadow that I have it already in my lids. I'm going to spread it with the swiping motion. So I'm just swiping from outwards, from the outwards of my lids going in. So from time to time guys, while I'm wiping motion my eyeshadow, I keep checking if I am already satisfied with what I'm doing, or if I still need to brush it off by swiping motion. Since I don't have black eyeshadow, I'm going my eyebrow pencil. It's color black to have a black line on my upper lash line. So guys, if you use black or like darker than I use, this is an optional only, you don't need to use it. Later you can use the liquid liner, no problem. So here I just put it a line, and then I use this small brush to just blend it out. But if you have the powder, no problem, much easier if you're gonna use the black eyeshadow palette. So here I just continuously spread it all over my upper lash line, so it looks like more sultry. You can use also the excess from the brush to brush it on your under eye waterline, like what I'm doing on the video. And also, like, you can brush it also with the same brush that you use on your upper lid, so you have like a shadowy effect underneath your eyes, on your under eye. There you go guys, we're almost finished with our smoky eyeshadow. So just spread it evenly, and anyway the brush, I didn't dip it in anything, I just used the excess from the brush. Okay, so in this part I'd like to put a white color or any highlighter you have on the in between my eyebrows and my eyeshadow, so it gives highlight effects that makes my eyeshadow and eyebrow pop out. Okay, you can now put any highlighter you want. I mean the one with the shimmer, because the other one doesn't have shimmer, so I want to put it here. If it's daytime, you can just keep it like this. You can just keep the highlighter here, or if you're going for night out, you can just dip any of your finger here, just like that, tap it on your fingers, and then put here in the middle. And just spread it everywhere. So yun guys, nakabit na natin yung ating falsies. And ito na siya kapag naka-look forward ka. So next natin is liquid liner. Very sharp edge. Okay, and then we're gonna go lining out here. So let me get my mirror. So for the newbies, it's fine to make mistake, and we can do something about it. If you have like makeup cleaner or micellar water, just put it on your q-tips and use it to clean the area that you make mistake. There you have it guys, even you have hooded eyes, you can still slay your smoky eyeshadow. So please like and subscribe guys, and comment down below which one you want to learn next time. See you, bye bye.